Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing LumaFusion, one of the most popular video editing apps for iOS. If you're a creator looking to edit professional quality videos on your iPhone or iPad, this review will help you decide if it's worth the investment. What it is. LumaFusion is a mobile video editing app designed for both beginners and professional creators. It offers a full-featured editing experience, allowing you to cut, trim, layer, and enhance videos right on your device without needing a computer. How it works. The app provides a multi-track timeline, letting you work with video, audio, and photos all in one project. You can add transitions, color corrections, titles, and effects, and even work with slow motion or green screen effects. LumaFusion supports exporting in various resolutions and frame rates, making it flexible for YouTube, social media, or professional projects. Its interface is intuitive, but still packed with advanced tools if you want more control. Who it's for. It's perfect for mobile content creators, YouTubers, social media influencers, and even filmmakers who need a portable editing solution. What people are saying. Users love LumaFusion for its powerful features, stability, and speed. Some beginners, however, find it a bit overwhelming at first because of all the options. Pros. Multi-track editing and advanced tools. Smooth performance even on older devices. A wide range of effects, transitions, and export options. Cons. Can feel complex for absolute beginners. Only available on iOS devices. Paid app, no free version. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you want professional-grade video editing on your iPhone or iPad, LumaFusion is definitely worth it. It's powerful, reliable, and flexible for all types of projects. That's it for this LumaFusion review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.